Hey, rude boy, me not in a long talk this year, see? My family and my friends them and loved ones them in the place. And the people them hungry. See? So now I'm gonna get into the tradition. Fuck the long talk. Weber father, where you there? Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna show you some blood clot food, see? You see that food here? I want you to look good. Mango, chili salmon in your bumbo clot. To them say Weber father. Yeah. Steam snapper in the place. You know what we do it? We leave our okra and vegetable and them sitting there. Curry blood clot lobster. Butter lobster. Butter blood clot shrimp. And what you say Weber father?
Fruity.
Yeah. I could go down the blood clot line. Hey, yo, chef, what them call this blood clot lamb we have?
French lamb.
French blood clot lamb in the bumbo clot place. You know see this? Hold on now. French lamb in your ras clot, see? Yeah, oxtail it. Right corner pocket on the pool table. Yeah, man, you can't stay there and enjoy the blood clot extravaganza. Look, you know, see the yams in the place. Woolly for marshmallow and a blood clot. Where you say Weber father?
Yeah, man.
True. Lasagna in your ras clot. What happened to them? True. Curry chicken in your bumbo clot, too. Yeah. Where you say Weber father?
Fruity.
Yeah. Have a cook-up rice. Smoke herring and blood clot saltfish cook-up rice. What you know about that? Them don't know nothing about that. What you say Weber father?
Guyanese style.
You see that white rice, yeah? You think there's some regular white rice? Basmati blood clot white rice. And your blood clot. That's what the thing said. Rice and peas in your rice clot too. Yeah. Family, we ready for damn food?
Yeah!
Wait. No. We just a blood clot teas, you know. Hold on now. Fried chicken. You know, see the glow on the fried chicken. We don't have no black and dark brown spot on the fried chicken, you know. The fried chicken golden in your blood clot. What you say, Weber?
Crispy.
Weber father, what you say?
Yankee style.
Yo. Hold on now. Yo, hold on now. We have a blood clot, golden blood clot chicken wing in your ras clot. Fried blood clot, golden chicken wing. Where you depend? You know, see the macaroni and cheese, 3 blood clot plate. Only for blood clot cheese and the blood clot macaroni and cheese. Where you say the Weber father?
Let's eat.
Happy holidays, everybody. And one more thing. Young Trillion, pull up.
Hold on. Talk to me.
I just want to say this. Everybody, connect the dots. Get familiar with this face.
Get very familiar.
The deluxe edition of Extinction Level Event 2, The Wrath of God. Available and streaming everywhere right now on this beautiful Black Friday.
Right now.
We got
Right now.
One of the new joints on the deluxe edition of Extinction Level Event 2, The Wrath of God. It's called Hey You.
Hey, you.
If you think about a nigga too, tell me what you want to do. Then we gotta get it to the party. Yo, listen. Trillion is the feature on the song with me.
Yes.
This is my son. I'm super proud of him.
Thank you.
You really tried to bust my ass in the record. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting a few phone calls. I gotta deal with you accordingly in the next day. You know what I'm saying? It's in the DNA. His family has a very royal bloodline. And I just want y'all to know, stay tuned, look out for the young king. Tazai on deck. This is my oldest boy right here, my oldest young king right here. Now look. It's a vibe. We just inspiring. We just want to give y'all inspiration. We're gonna get to this food. I'm gonna get some of these drinks. Family, we eating?
Yes, boss.
Turn up time. Turn up.